Hello viewers, welcome again. So viewers, in this video we show you very beautiful and interesting design, handmade, handcrafted X-Max for upcoming season bags, potly bags and handmade bags, comfortable bags and hand carry bags. So viewers, these designs are very impressive and interesting, and you can make it at home. And in this season we need some different style of gift potly and gift bags. So this video gonna show you very beautiful and simple stylish designs for this season. So this season gonna be very beautiful for you, and inshallah very beautiful designs you will made. So hope you like their ideas and designs. Most beautiful, most attractive, and most powerful designs are here. And it is time to grow business. It's time to make a set. So you can make your own brand like this. You can make simple bags, portly bags in affordable price, and make in bulk and sale in bulk. So it will gonna be you can, because people need many products at a time, many bags at a time for gifts, for wrapping. So it is not one buyer, it is a simple and multiple buyer with it, multiple selling of it. So viewers, these are very beautiful and interesting designs, and you can add on burlap some, you can add burlap on some green and red color, green and blue color, red, and especially red color. If you add, this will look for X-Max. So hope you like the designs and ideas. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. It's gonna be very good for you, and I will make more designs for you. I will try to bring very best designs for you. If you are commenting on my channel what do you want to watch, we will try to upload whatever you want to watch. So stay tuned with us. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep crafting, keep making something unique like that. If you want to watch more designs like this, so video watch till the end. I'm gonna show you very beautiful and interesting designs of burlap bags, handmade bags, fabricated bags. So viewers, stay tuned with us, and we will try to bring for you best and beautiful designs for our viewers. Thanks for watching and watch till the end.
Have you ever held something in your hands and felt the story behind it? Not just a bag, but a journey of patience, creativity, and love. That's exactly what a handmade craft bag is. More than a accessories, is a piece of art. In today's fast-paced world of mass production, where everything looks the same, handmade craft bags stand apart. Each bag tells its own story. Every stitch, every detail is done carefully by hand, reflecting the dedication of the artisan behind it. Their small wooden table, surrounded by the fabric, threads, and tools, with gentle hands, they cut, fold, stitch, and shape. Hours of work go into making just one bag. From the careful selection of natural material to the final polish, every step is done with thought. No machine can match this unique of that touch. Each handmade craft bag is slightly different. That's the beauty of it. The two are ever exactly alike. What you carry is truly your one of a kind piece that no one else in the world has. Many of these bags are made using eco-friendly material, just cotton, recycled fabrics, or ethically sourced leather. By choosing handmade, you are not just buying a bag, you are also supporting sustainability. Instead of plastic or synthetic products, you are holding something natural, something that respects the earth. Behind every handmade craft bag is an artisan of These bags are not just beautiful, they are practical. Too strong stitching, double fabric, and timeless design make them perfect for daily use. Whether it's a casual day out, office colleague, and even a special evening, a handmade bag fits every moment. When you carry a handbag craft bag, people notice. They ask, "Where did you get these from?" And that's when you smile and share the story. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a conversation starter. And every time you hold it, you remember the hand that made it, hand that spent hours carefully shopping it just for you. So the next time you are choosing a bag, remember these. You can pick something ordinary, or you can choose something extraordinary. You can choose handmade, a craft that celebrities and the culture, the stability, and human connection. A handmade craft bag is not just a bag, it's a piece of history, a piece of art, a piece of heart. Do you want? It's very easy to choose a great and amazing fabric stuff for your handbag bags. So choose a different and beautiful article.